which has actually taken inspiration from another YouTuber called My Mate Vince. He gets faulty stuff and attempts to fix it. Doesn't always fix it, but yeah, sometimes fix it. And well, I thought that was absolute genius, so I'm going to attempt it myself in honour of him. So today we have an Xbox One S, I believe, controller that appears to be working through the power lead, but not when you plug batteries or a battery pack in it. So today I'm going to attempt to see if I can find out what's wrong with it. Now, first things first, if you've got fingernails, unlike me, you can probably just prise this off the side here, but I don't have fingernails, so I'll use this little tool. Oops. And it's not quite come off as easy as I hope to on camera. But there's like a series of clips and it just pops off. If you had fingernails, at this point this would be a lot easier. As you see, there's silly little clips all the way up, and it just clips on, and that's how we get in there. Yeah. Right, both these removed now. All I used was this little tool here, which is actually part of a phone fixing tool, if I remember correctly. Yeah, and now that exposes 1, 2, 3, 4. It looked like star drive or torque set, I don't know what you call them, screws. And I've already had a feel around that here. There seems to be a round indentation there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm assuming that means there's another one under there. So first things first, I'm going to take a little spade head screwdriver and I'm going to peel back that sticker or stab a hole in the centre of it and attempt to see what's going on in there. So I'm going to remove this from here. With dodgy fingers, I can't do it. First things first, I'm going to attempt to peel the sticker back all in one piece. So I can replace as if nothing's been done. Well, that immediately went wrong, but you can see I tore it. So I'm just going to stab a hole in the centre then, and hey presto, a hidden star drive. Right, so let me get the correct size, which I probably won't do first time. Let's try this one. Yeah, one size too big. So this one. Now this little kit isn't anything fancy, it's just literally a cheap kit that I bought from the local hardware shop, if I remember rightly. It cost me £4 or £5. It wasn't expensive. It also has a sucker for removing screens from phones, but yeah, we appear to have a slight problem. The star drives don't seem to be fitting it correctly. Or torque bits, I'm not sure. The smaller one looks all too puny to do the job. No, there is an issue here. Let me get back to you. Well, I seem to have found an issue. I can't quite see it properly with my well, I see my naked eye. I wear glasses. But there seems to be a spline up the middle, so I had to get out my Halfords Advanced toolkit. That's not a plug. I don't own any stock tool shares in Halfords, but if you'd like to sponsor me, then yeah, I love their tools, they're really good, and I love the warranty that comes with them. Anyway, if you see these style drives have the centerpiece missing, I believe it's a security type, I'm not sure, but these fit perfectly, and these screws are just coming out easy peasy, so that's nice to see. This one, however, is a little bit of an angle to get the head in, so it takes a little bit of finagling to get out, but once it starts it should be simple enough. It's already started. Let's see if we can get this one to crack open. Because otherwise we need to devise plan B. Let's see. Do these ones fit in this one? No, they don't. Damn it. There's something not as fat to get in there really. Doing these ones just fine, but you can see the shoulder of the tool is catching the plastic, which is making these bottom ones near impossible to do. Now, I mean, I've started this one off, but oh, this one's coming now. I was going to say I can't even get this one to turn, but yeah, there's just a technique to it. I'm going to have to adopt a slightly wobbed angle on it and just be careful not to round it off. So I'll come back to when it's open. And that's all the 5 screws that I can find in it removed. So now let's carefully remove the front collar. See what's going on inside here. It's a little bit mucky, and I think that's a little bit of water damage straight away. Let me investigate this further. Okay, so the back case has the power points located in it already, and they appear to be nice and clean, and so I'm assuming that section's fine. Now, I don't know what's going to happen when I turn this over. This might all fall apart, so fingers crossed it doesn't. Okay, so here we have the main workings. We've got the 2 rumble packs, and it looks like 2 circuit boards. Yeah, 2 circuit boards there. Now, there is no obvious reason why this wouldn't work with a battery, because I'm assuming that they connect to the back of the case when it's back on to make the connection. So I assume I should go. Right, I'll be back in 1 second. I'm just going to go steal my son's battery pack from his Xbox One contract. Right then, let's see. I've got the battery pack. I'm just going to place it into the back and try and make contact on these. And then I'll attempt to turn the pad on. When I did this yesterday when it was complete, it flashed on for a second and instantly turned off. So I'm getting absolutely nothing right this second, and I know this pack is right. Yeah, the pack is definitely charged. I did get something again for a split second then. Let's turn it on. I don't know if you see that. I'll try it one more time. Got my fat fingers in the way. Turns on for a split second, then shuts straight off. Let's have a little look then, see if I can discover a fault, because that's obviously making a connection, which is what the problem I thought was. I thought these somewhere wasn't going to be connected correctly, or whacked out a sink, or I don't know exactly what I thought, but now I'm leaning to think that it's more to do with this top board, although I have no evidence to support that whatsoever. I'm just going off that the top button seems to be connected to this, and so do the battery pieces, so what goes on here? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that supposed to be part of that, or is that separate? I just noticed some little tab here, which I thought may have been to do with it, but I don't think it is. I don't actually know what that's for. We'll just reposition the back over it and we'll see where things line up. Well, right, for a start, I was totally wrong as to, because these go on the opposite end, which lines up with a soldered tab here, which doesn't look perfect anymore. I'm going to just put a little spade bit in there and give it a light scratch over. We'll see if that helps anything. I'm then going to pop the back on and try the power pack that way. It definitely does look like a little piece of corrosion maybe. I'm just going to pop the back case on and pop back on, so the battery back in like this, and then we're going to test it. Oh, that was a bit fiddly to get that back on there without putting any screws back in it, but let's attempt that now. No, it's straight on and off again. No, that's a weird one. Yeah. I wonder. Hello. What's this? Yucky sticky residue. That looks like to me somebody has spilled a drink or something into this controller at some point. I thought I saw some liquid damage there, and it looks like it's maybe congealed, or I don't know if that's the correct word to use. Yeah, under the D pad. Yeah, that's disgusting. Look at the state of that. That is disgusting. People's skin and drink and yuck. I can't understand why it wouldn't turn on completely though. I wonder whether it needs connecting to an Xbox and updating. I have seen on videos online where these pads develop a fault that turns out to be a non-fault, if you may. Basically it just needs an update. So we're going to put it back together again, and then we're going to go and see. Right, I've come to my son's room. You'll have to excuse the mess because he is just a scruff, and yeah, his lovely pink and camouflage wall. It used to be his sister's room, and I haven't got around to sorting it. Right, I plugged in this instantly and turned it, and it was flashing away for a while, like so. It seems to be doing something, so I'm going to attempt to sync it to the boy's Xbox. Ah, it helps if you press the right bloody button, you same head. And I believe we are synced. Let me just check that on the screen. Ah, that seems to be one Xbox One pad fixed. Yeah. Well, I don't know exactly how I fixed that. Well, I fixed it. So, I guess that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. I mean, I couldn't really tell you how I fixed it, but still. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to be like a proper YouTuber and stuff. So there may be more fix-its, there may be some explores, there might be some tests. If there's things that you want me to do a video on, pop me a comment in. Yeah, I'm interested to hear everybody's ideas. So yeah, thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Bye.